Hi everyone, and welcome back to Faith and Flower. If you're new, my name is Robin. If you're anything like me, you love fragrance. You love your personal care products to smell great, your laundry to smell great, you like room fresheners and scented candles, and all of those things could be harmful. I have been learning more and more lately about the toxicity of synthetic fragrances. And so I'm going to share some information that I have learned recently with you guys and help you understand how you can avoid those things and how maybe you can pick some safer alternatives. When you see the term fragrance on a personal care products label, read it as hidden chemicals. A major loophole in the FDA's federal law lets manufacturers of products like shampoo, lotion, and body wash include nearly any ingredients in their products under the name fragrance without actually listing the chemical. Some of these chemicals used are linked to negative health effects. Phthalates used to make fragrance last longer are associated with damage to the male reproductive system, and artificial musks accumulate in our bodies and can be found in breast milk. Fragrance formulas are considered to be among the top 5 known allergens and can trigger asthma attacks. These same synthetic chemical fragrances are also found in cleaning products, scented candles, and air fresheners. These findings were published on the EWG, and that's environmentalworkinggroup.org, and also Scientific America, plus several other publications when I did my research. So to avoid these things, the very best thing you can do is avoid those products entirely or choose ones that are fragrance-free. And I know that sometimes it's almost impossible to avoid these things, but I'm just suggesting that you be on the lookout and a little bit more aware of some of the products that you use. And I also want to talk to you guys a little bit about some things that I've been swapping out in our home. And although they may not be perfect, they are better alternatives. Since I have recently stopped turning a blind eye to all of the evidence against synthetic fragrances, the first step was to remove anything containing them from our home. I have basically been obsessed with fragrance in any form for our home and for personal use for years, and I had quite a collection of them to show for it. Of course, no replacement products for these things will be perfect, but there are definitely some better alternatives out there, and I have started using a few of them in our home. Scented candles have always been my biggest weakness, and part of the problem with them, in addition to the synthetic fragrances, is the paraffin wax that they contain. And that is a petroleum product, and it is releasing lots of toxins into your home in addition to the chemicals found in the fragrance. In their place, I have started using soy candles. Soy candles are plant-based wax, and they burn much cleaner and are much healthier for the environment in your home. And there are many soy candles on the market that are scented with natural essential oils in place of the synthetic fragrance. There are also soy wax melts available, and these from Burt's Bees are scented with essential oils also. Both of the candle and the wax melts that I'm using here are by reputable companies, and I trust that their essential oils are pure, although you do need to be careful when purchasing anything scented with essential oils that they are responsibly sourced and that they are pure. Another thing that I had already been doing was diffusing essential oils, and this is a wonderful natural way to scent your home. Essential oils also have a lot of therapeutic properties to them. I am learning new things about essential oils all the time and new ways to use them in our home. And I am planning a video later this month, so be on the watch out for that, to share with you guys some ways that I am discovering uses for them in our home, and also a really great new source that I've discovered. One perfume company that I feel comfortable recommending to you is Fragonard. They still develop their perfumes in the traditional manner, extracting their essences from flowers grown in the fields close to their factories in the south of France. I have been in love with their fragrances for years, and if you guys are interested, I'll have a link to their website in my description box below. The best substitute for fabric softeners is something you probably already have in your pantry, and that's just white vinegar. Adding 1/4 to 1/2 cup directly to the fabric softener dispenser of your machine or in a Downy ball will do the same job of fluffing up your clothes and keeping the fabric soft. In addition to using vinegar as a fabric softener, I love using wool dryer balls. And if you are looking for a way to scent your laundry, putting a few drops of your favorite essential oil on the dryer balls does a great job. They also speed up the drying time so that it takes less time for your clothes to dry, and that saves on energy cost as well. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And I hope that you got some new information so that you guys can make better informed choices for the things that you buy for yourself and for your home and family. If you're new to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It's totally free, and if you hit the bell icon, you will be notified each time I upload a new video and you won't miss out on a thing. Thank you guys for watching today. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video.